Yo, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we are finally starting the Entertainment District arc of Demon Slayer Season 2. You know, I'm about 8 weeks late. Yeah, I know. I'm 8 weeks late. You know, actually 9 now. Holy smokes, we're 9 weeks late now. But, you know, we're going to catch up the best we can. To give my overall thoughts, I love the anime. Love the art style. Love the animation. Love all the characters. Absolutely loved the movie. It pissed me off though. Don't get it wrong. Don't get it twisted. It pissed me off, but like in a good way, you know, like being attached to the characters and stuff. But yeah, I've heard amazing things about this season, and I'm just excited to go into it. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it, I guess. Not even 10 seconds in, and you're showing me this again. Is my boy Tanjiro having some PTSD? Kind of looked like a dream. Set your heart ablaze. I'm getting too excited. I just punched my mic. Damn. Oh, so we're just picking straight up right where we left off. Oh, man. Now you're gonna get me in my feels again. Gonna get me upset again. You know, we stand Rengoku. You know, at least he died with a smile on his face. We're all Rengoku stands around here. And it's always the damn reactions, you know? It's the reaction that gets me every time. Oh, Inosuke. Voice actor going crazy. Damn, bro, I didn't know we were gonna start out like this. No, not his brother, man. God damn it. Now you got me pissed all over again. How do you get me so attached in one movie? Just to kill him off like that. That's bull. Facts, Tanjiro was spitting right there. Tanjiro was spitting. Oh, ho, ho, ho. I've been waiting to do this. Get me all hype and stuff. I haven't watched in about a week. I try to catch up really fast, and I haven't watched in about a week, and I've just been... It's been an urge in the back of my brain to just start. This 4K ass quality building. God damn, I have a feeling I'm gonna be saying that a lot. Gonna be calling everything 4K quality around here. That's facts. Hey, that's facts, bro. Hey, yo, don't be saying that, right? That's kind of fucked up to say, even as a joke. You know, the red flag radar is dinging right now. Yep. Yep. What you mean skin disease can't go? That's Muzan, bro? Bro, how many... how many personalities does this guy got? What is happening? Bro, it's so loud. Like, what was just happening? You ain't doing enough, I guess. Now, this is where I get worried. This is where I get worried. I mean, is he wrong, though? Is he wrong, you know? For their goal, at least. That could have been a huge dub for them. The sun was out, though. The sun was out. Yo, you're getting fucked up. Is there any satisfying this man, though? You know? Did we really gotta fuck him up like that, though? You know, just because it wasn't all three. I mean, he still did take down Hashira, but you know, Muzan does it different, though. Did we hit a nerve? Did we hit a little demon nerve? Aww. Now Tanjiro needs another sword, though. You know? And the sword maker dude ain't gonna be too happy about that. That's twice already his sword has been broken. That's what worries me. That's what worries me. I don't know the rankings of like the Hashira yet. I don't know how strong each one of them was, but you know, he was one of them and he got taken down by an upper 3. What are we gonna do against Muzan, you know? Not Zenitsu, bro. We gotta get stronger, but hey, overtraining is a real thing. You don't need to train every single goddamn second of the day, every day, alright? Tanjiro is a trained professional in anime. Oh. Tanjiro. Man. Got them strong-ass genes at least, though. My man produced 2 carbon copies of himself. Yeah, be looking a little purple there, Tanjiro. Now, what's your problem? What's your problem? I want to figure out what this guy's issue is. Bro, shut up. Man, Tanjiro, step in, please. Shut up. Hey, yo! Hey, yo, what are we doing? He does got some speed to him, though. I mean, wasn't he a former Hashira? Hey, come on, bro. It's hard not to hate this guy so far. So far, it's hard not to like him. Or to dislike him. Yeah, do I need to call CPS? Facts, this is just straight up slander, bro. The first? Oh, so we got the Big Daddy breathing technique. Goddamn. We got the top dog, I guess. Sun breathing? That sounds cool, too. I mean, it's the first technique and it's got the best name. I'll say it. Oh, can we relax? No! No, Tanjiro, not like this. He just got one tap. No way. That's gotta make it even worse, though, you know? Hey, yo, take it easy on him. How did he do that? What in the physics, lack of physics bullshit was that? How did he... The classic headbutt, you know, it never fails. It never fails. Well, now that Tanjiro knows he's got, like, the first, like, ever breathing technique, and it's the strongest of them all, that's gotta make him feel even worse. Even worse about not being able to do anything. Gotta stand up for yourself. Oh my gosh. My guy is swaying. That bottomless mimosa's brunch type beat going on. Man, bro. Just got me in my feels the whole damn episode. Got me pissed that I'm not gonna see him as a character. You know, fight anymore. This is bullshit. This is bull honky. You are not giving me a mid-roll right now. Right when he does that. Bro, no way! No way, bro. We traveled all this way just to not be able to read it? That's annoying. Yeah, you have nothing to do with this, Tanjiro, but... Is it his father? Or is that an easy person to blame, you know? That's all you really can do. I'm hoping the learning curve isn't really like linear, you know? Not really exponential, and you know, one day you could just get lucky and just shoot up. I'm hoping, you know, we save the day. Ooh, that's rough, buddy. Sword really called you weak. I'm just playing. He's young. He's young. He's still young. You still got time. Hey, that's alright too. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. Rengoku wanted you to live your own life. You know, do what you wanted to do. As long as you are happy, he does not care. I can almost guarantee it. I can give you my guarantee. Just go around headbutting everyone. Yeah, bro, I don't know. I can't accept nothing like that. Yeah, you better drip out that sword. This is so random, but I just clocked that this episode is 46 minutes long. My goodness. This guy's gotta have something more to him. No shot he's just this much of an asshole, you know? People like this have, like, created these walls for past traumas and stuff they've lost. Might have to get off the alk, you know? Oh, man. There has to be more to him for sure. There has to. He's gonna take a little bit of redeeming, you know. I still don't fully like him, but hopefully he'll get there. Alright, now get to it. Give me my sword. Now do your job. Jeez, sheesh, these guys are bulk nowadays. That little training arc paid off. Let's go. Hey, yo, we're that down bad, Zenitsu? My goodness. Hey, yo, Tanjiro. My man's just a bit obsessed. We gonna let that slide? Okay, okay. The ghillie suit? Looks like we're just training and doing a little bit of missions on the side, you know, getting stronger. Carrying out our duty. It's above you! Psych, never mind. My goodness. Showed up out of nowhere. Bro, the demons are so gross, man. Hey, that was a play and a half. That was actually a play and a half. We walked all the way up this mountain just to go straight back down, I guess. Well, I was about to say maybe put a little bit of pep in your step, gain some speed, but it's already there. Nezuko fucked it up. I mean, that's easy healing, but oh ho ho. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Damn, the double slice? striking tide, bro. You have no idea how much I missed that. And we're out of there just like that. The ghosts. Oh gosh. What is going on over here? Oh, this is one of the Hashira, right? I recognize that like diamond thing. No, 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 no. We dealt with this already. Do what your heart desires. What is happening? Let's go. Yeah, act on your own accordance. Iced out. My goodness. Bro, what is even happening? Facts, how do you just pick them up like that? Another headbutt? I mean, he's a Hashira, but that's some goddamn speed. That's teleportation, basically. Tengen? Former shinobi? Yeah, what? You can't just walk in here and just take them. What? Bro, why are we just screaming? Just throw him. Facts. Just toss him. And now look what you've done, Tengen. So lame. So we're getting weaker and weaker because we can't just get up and grab someone. Hey? The pull-up? Okay, Inosuke and Zenitsu, we don't gotta be so cold like that. Okay. We know you love the fight, Inosuke. I mean, I guess. Bro, we're not even gonna pay mind to it. What the fuck am I watching? Yeah, Jesus. My guy's like 7'3". Entertainment District. With this long ass episode, goddamn. 23 minutes? Holy smokes. I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I love me a nice long episode, you know? But hey, I mean, yeah, I don't even know what to say to that, actually. Yeah. We learned, I guess the most important part, the two most important part is, now we got our squad. We got our squad to go into the entertainment district. You know, the name of the arc. So, shocker. with Tengen, Zenitsu, and Inosuke and Tanjiro. Okay, now Tengen, he's a bit of a lad. You know, he's a weird little laddie. He's a little weird chap. You know, I don't know what his deal is, but he just, from that 5 minutes I've seen him, he just got 30 years in prison. I mean, attempted kidnapping, sexual assault. You know, hey, we move past. Jesus Christ. But the most important thing I would say is that we learned Tanjiro is actually capable of doing the sun breathing technique, which is apparently the first one out of all of them. And apparently everything else is just a cheap knockoff. It's the strongest. So, I mean, Tanjiro's got a lot of potential. I mean, I could assume that the man loves training. He's like the perfect guy to have it. He loves training. He's super nice. He's not going to abuse his power. You know, all that jazz. But it's got to make him feel a little tiny bit worse about what happened with Rengoku, baby, because he has this super strong ability that's been passed down to him. And he still couldn't do anything. So that's probably got to make him even more frustrated about his weakness compared to the upper level demons, you know? But yeah, I mean, it was a good little introduction. I'm excited. I'm excited, you know? I'm excited to see how crazy we go in the entertainment district. So I'm not going to say much more. If you made it this far, you're an absolute legend. You're an absolute legend. I'll make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do whatever. I will see you next time. Later.